Today we're going to be reviewing using ratio tables as a strategy to solve problems. So on page 116 in the student packet for Unit 4, it talks about Callie's Cake Pops. Callie is trying to earn money to purchase a new pair of soccer cleats. She has decided to make her famous cake pops and sell them to her friends. For the first question, it says Callie's mom is willing to loan her the money to get her fundraiser started. Callie knows that her cake pops cost $1.25 to make, and she'd like to make 36 of them. So how much money does Callie need to borrow from her mom? So we are going to be solving this problem right now. All right, in order to solve this problem, we're going to be making a ratio table, and we're going to be extending it out. So the top part is going to be the number of cake pops. The bottom is going to be the cost. So the first thing we know is that we know if we have one cake pop, the cost of it is $1.25. So we're kind of just making this ratio table to figure out some estimated costs or things that we need to know. And what we're going to be doing is the question asked, she wants to make 36 of them. So we want to get to 36 here. So how to do that easily? Obviously, I'm going to do some tens, because if I know that 1 is $1.25, then if I have 10, remember when multiplying by 10, we move the decimal over 1 decimal spot to the right, and that would be $12.50. So that means if I have 10 of them, it's $12.50. So therefore, if I have 20, it would be, double this. So that would make it 12 doubled is 24, but 50 cents doubled is $1. So this is $25. And then if I have 30, I'm going to add the 10 and 20 together. So that would give me 25 plus 12 is $37.50. And now I still need to get to that 6. So I need a 5. I need to know what 5 would be. And remember, 5 is half of 10. So we've actually looked at that before. Half of 12 is 6. Half of 50 is 25. So it'd be $6.25. So in order to find 35, I need to add these two together. So this would be 75 cents, and 37 plus 6 is 43. So this is $43.75. Now, to do the last one, to get to that 36, I would need to add just simply one more $1.25 to this. So if I add $1 here, it's $44.75 plus 25 cents, it'd be $45. All right, the second part of the problem says Callie priced her cake pops at $1.75 and sold 32 of them. So how much money did Callie collect for the 32 cake pops? And then how much money did she earn to put towards her soccer cleats, or what was the profit? We're going to figure that out next. All right, so I left the other ratio table at the top, but the second part we're going to be solving the actual amount that she made. She sold her cake pop. She said one cake pop she sold for $1.75. So if you look up here, it's a profit of 50 cents if you didn't realize that. So it cost her $1.25 to make it, and she's selling it for $1.75. So she said she sold 32. So we're going to do the same thing, but we have to get to 32. So again, if we do 10 of these, again, we move the decimal over, is $17.50. So therefore I can do 20 of them, which is doubled. This doubled would be 17 doubled is 34, 35 because of the 50 cents. So therefore, if I want 30, I just add these two together, which would give me, if you have to write it down, go ahead, please do so. And it just helps me see it. So it's 50 cents and then $2.50. And then all I have to do is get to 2 more, and 2 more, if we didn't know, is double $1.75. So that's $2.75 doubled would be $1.50. So it's $3.50 for 2 of them. And so then to get 32, I simply have to add these two up together. So $52.50 plus $3.50. And if I add those up, that's $1 here, and 52 plus 3 is 55, so it's $56. Now, it asked you, how much did she collect for the 32 cake pops? $56. How much did she or can she put towards her soccer cleats? Well, she needs to pay her mom back, and it costs $45 at first, so it'd be 56, take away $45 would give her her profit, and that would be $11 profit. I hope using the ratio tables will help you in the future and being able to solve these types of problems.